Not sure I had the camera aimed right last time. Want to look at this, which comes directly from this. Okay. And I did write this down backwards. It's A2 squared minus A1 squared. Okay. And it's going to be the same up here, because in this case, the velocity relationships don't have any relationship to whether this thing is horizontal or vertical. And that's because the fluid is incompressible. Okay? So anyhow, you have this term, same as you have here, but then you're going to have your rho g delta y. And it's going to be the negative of rho g delta y. And you're changing from here to here. We chose to change from 1 to 2, right? So this is going to be then plus rho g times y1 minus y2. Now let's check that against common sense. Okay, first of all, we're going to expect to have more pressure down here than we have up here due to this term, right? Okay, and y1 minus y2 is positive, so that would make a positive contribution to the pressure, right? The pressure change, exactly as we would expect. We expect the pressure to decrease due to the fact that the pipe is getting thinner, because we need to use a force to accelerate the water. So we have to have more force on this end than we have on this end, okay? Got more force per unit area. And let's not worry too much about that, but intuitively, we got to use force through a distance to speed up the water. So we're, in that case, kind of using up pressure. And you can think through that any way you want to make it intuitive. Okay, so is this going to be, should this be positive or negative then? It should be negative, okay? And let's see, A2 is less than A1, so yeah, it's negative, okay? So this goes along with our intuition about energy usage and forces and so forth, okay? And at this point, if you understand all that, you understand Bernoulli's equation much more deeply than most people in the university physics course when you're studying this stuff, okay? Big, important principle. Now, some people understand everything first time they see it, because some people are really, really smart, okay? But for us ordinary mortals, understanding this much is pretty good.
Africa.